Macca the Alpaca by Matt Cosgrove. Macca the Alpaca. This guy's called Macca. He's an alpaca. He loves splashing in puddles and gives the best cuddles. Macca's days were carefree, filled with giggles and glee, until drama. A llama. That guy's called Harmer, not your average charmer. He's tall, strong, and woolly, but also a bully! Harmer was mean, quite the worst you have seen. He took Macca's stuff and played very rough. You puny pimpsqueak, I'm strong and you're weak. Macca said, No, you're wrong. I'm surprisingly strong. The pair made a bet. A challenge was set. I'll move this boulder. Harmer pushed with his shoulder. He huffed, puffed, and nudged till it finally budged. When Macca's turn came, he just used his brain. Humph! Well, why don't you try to reach up this high? Easy done using this. Harmer let out a hiss. Now that the llama was fuming, his nasty mind zooming. Okay, let's have a race. Try and keep pace. First to the top is best. Full stop. They took off in a flash and began their mad dash up the steep mountainside. But then rocks started to slide. Being nimble and light, Macca made it all right. As he leapt to the summit, he saw Harmer plummet. Whoa! Some might call it karma, as that bully of a llama went crash, bang, and splat. And that, my friends, was that. Harmer said plainly shaken, Turns out I was mistaken, for you've proved it quite clearly. Size doesn't matter really. Macca went up to the thug and gave him a great big hug. I love you, Harmer. The